Happy Pride!
Hi everyone, welcome. It is Jan here. Yeah, why the outfit? This is the Pride collaboration that was started by Nate. Thank you, Nate, for initiating it. Thank you for inviting me. As you will have seen, hopefully, in the first weekend, the 5th of June, we had a lineup of awesome artists that made pours for this Pride collaboration. If you haven't already watched them, please go back and watch them. The playlist will be in my description. Also, if you don't mind, I'll take off my very expensive glasses here. Maybe I can hang them here, just for the fun of it. But yeah, we're continuing the Pride collaboration this weekend. You will have seen, hopefully, that Massey boys were on first. Nick or Dominic Scherl was on before me, and Tiffany will be coming on after me. Please go watch her channel, and yeah, like I said, the playlist will be in the description, so go click on it, watch all the videos. If you haven't watched them already, go back and watch them. This is for a great cause. Pride is unfortunately still necessary. The Pride Month, the fight for the LGBTQ equalities is still ongoing. Sadly, it's not everywhere that we have the same rights as other people. So that's a worthy cause. It's a worthy fight. And yeah, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting all of us. And you have a wonderful Pride Month. And come back soon. Bye. I know that my canvas is a little out of center, but that's because I'm gonna probably spin it, and in order to spin it I'll have to move it up a little bit. My idea for this pour is that I am gonna use a Prussian blue base coat, and then I'm gonna do a swipe, or rather it's gonna be a combination of a bloom blowout and a swipe. So I'm gonna wanna blow out upwards here, and then I'm gonna swipe down under these little puddles that I'm gonna make. Hopefully it's gonna look like a kind of a mirroring effect, even though it's not, of course, gonna mirror the actual blowout here, because down here it's just gonna be a swipe with paper towels. What I'm using are all Amsterdam's pearl paints. So I'm using, so this one, for instance, is a Amsterdam Pearl Violet. And this one is the blue, so the Amsterdam Pearl Blue there. Amsterdam Pearl paints come in 5 colors, at least as far as I've been able to see. So violet, blue, green, yellow, and red. So obviously the orange is missing. I am hoping, I haven't tested this, but I'm hoping that by mixing the yellow and the red, that I'll get an orange. So that's what I've done. So that's going to be exciting to see if it actually works. We'll see. And then I'll be putting in each puddle, I'll just be putting 1 puddle of each color separately. I'm not going to mix them. But in each puddle I'm then going to put my cell activator, which is made with Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Titanium White. And that is 3-to-1, so 3 parts Australian Floetrol, 1 part Amsterdam Titanium White. In the base coat and in the colors, the pearl paints, I have used Kathleen's mix pouring medium, so that's 50% Floetrol and 50% Liquitex pouring medium gloss. Now I should note that the Floetrol, it's actually not Floetrol I'm using, it's a German brand called Malwerk, which is like the European Floetrol. They are both much thicker than the American Floetrol. So all my paints will be thicker than you normally see Kathleen's paints are. I did add a little water, but I didn't want to make them as thin. So just a note for people, if you are using the European Floetrol or other brands, then they will be much thicker than the American. It's very wise to keep that in mind. Also, in all the paint, I did put a squirt of GAG 800 as Kathleen does. And let's get painting. I put, I don't know if you can see it, no, I can't flip it, turn it, but I put the colors on the side of the cups because obviously they all look white. So, starting with red here, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Sorry, I'm not talking, I'm concentrating. I guess when you put them up like this, excuse me, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a slight difference in the colors. This one clearly has a green shine to it. The orange, I hope it's working. It seems that it's definitely different than the red. It's different than the yellow, closer to the yellow than the red, but here we go. Let's try to blow this out and see how it works. Interesting. Well, I know from experience that once it gets stretched and it dries, you'll be able to see the pearl colors much better. This blue, I had not anticipated, but of course that's because of the Prussian blue that it mixes with the colors. That's fine. I don't like the way the top ones look. They're too uniform. Yeah, I'm gonna try to blow. I do not like it. I'm gonna swipe the top part as well. The whole thing about this one is that it's supposed to be the pearl, the effect of the pearl paint that is gonna make this an interesting piece. So I think I'll leave it and just spin it some more. I love the way that it's selling up here. Down here it's much smaller, but could be because we just need to tilt it a little bit. That down here to me looks like a mess, so I'm gonna try to see if I can tilt it all off. I think I'll leave it here. I'll show you the dried results. So here's the close-up. This part is the part that I'm not that crazy about. It just looks warped. But again, it might dry better. Up here, awesome. So yeah, I really like this top part. This part I kind of managed to save, I think. We'll really have to see how it dries. So now it should be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. I'll show you the dried results. And happy Pride, everyone.